Harry's Vampire Demonex today is like, oh my gosh. Let's go check out. Let me eat living room. Okay, we got a little bit of snow. No, we got a lot of snow. We did. Look at it. Or steps. The second one is covered in snow. See, look at it. There's our third step. There's our second step. Right there's supposed to be our last step. Then look at that big hill over there. It's bigger than my mom's truck bumper. Mom's car is starting to frost. The snow's going like crazy. Yeah. Also, the whole entire yard is covered in snow except for that part right there. So it hasn't got that much snow. Up here is bad. Down there, those little hills right there. I was trying to build a snow fort, but I got too bad. Then they had a lot of food trucks going up and down, but apparently they're all covered. Grandma's car. It's gonna be a long walk for school tomorrow. I wonder if school's gonna be canceled. Yeah, look at that storm. Yeah, no one's good at driving this. Especially our house, we live on top of it. We live on the bottom of a hill, and it's like, oh my gosh. My whole entire approach is covered in ice. Yeah, right now I'm in my kitchen. I was gonna get something to eat, but I don't know. I don't really like those as much. I'm supposed to start cooking. It's only like 3 o'clock. I'm gonna die. Just kidding. See if there's anything to drink. Oh, I forgot I had chocolate milk. I'll be right back. I gotta go bathroom. Okay, so right now I'm in my bathroom. Later I'm going to take a shower. I don't know. Look how much conditioner we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Plus, we have 2 in my room. I'll show you when I get out of the bathroom. Let's go. Okay, right now I'm just getting out of the bathroom. Oh, I got stuck. My bathroom. Let's go to my room. Like, what's with all the lights? Well, Christmas, right? Want to know the creepiest thing? Hold on my camera. I'll let you take a look at that for a second. Yeah. Let me just go ahead and show it. Okay, so I'm in the bathroom. Want to see the creepiest thing ever? My mom got Elf on a Shelf. And if you be bad, Heather moves. It's so weird. My cousin, he got Elf on a Shelf. And he was being way too bad and pooped on his toothbrush. What are you doing in there? My cousin is stuck in that gate. Oh, when is this blizzard going to be over? Started last night like at 11ish. It's like past 4. Can't see it because my lights are off. So creepy. Got Elf on a Shelf. And if you touch it, the magic goes away. Unless like it drops or something. Yeah. I mean like, oh! Look at that. I don't know, I'm bored. I have nothing to do for this video. Yeah. Oh, my mom's. Oh, hi, Charlie. Oh! I forgot to show you guys this. Hey, is she in there with you guys? Oh, is! Hold on. Okay. Back. Hold on. Ah. I'm gonna see what's that. That's a weird sneeze. Welcome back. Look at that. Look at that. Does that not look like a blizzard? North Dakota. Whole North Dakota is in this blizzard. Still can't believe it. Well, that was today's video. Next video, I'm doing a challenge, and I nominate. You guess who? Matt Walsh and Adam.